Welcome back everybody to another Blade HQ overview. Alright, today we'll be taking a look at a Microtech knife. So yes, that means automatic action. An OTF to be exact. This is the Scarab, the Navy Scarab, which is a very special version of that knife. It means it's been made to work in, around, and underwater. And I'll show you a lot of the cool features on that knife that separates it from other Scarabs. Before we take a look at the knife, I want to show you the sheath. You do get a nylon sheath here. It's got some Velcro options to hold everything down, to put it on a belt. You can see the Microtech logo there. And then on the handle, at least on the pocket clip, there is the Scarab beetle. And this pocket clip can be for a right, or you can turn it around for a left tip down carry. So I'll give you a quick shot of that in the pocket. All right, so that's what it looks like when you are carrying this knife. They have provided you a tool to be able to change the pocket clip from a right or left. They've also given you some of these dust caps or this rubber gasket, and that goes over the front of the knife to give you a little added protection. You can see you're just going to hook it on right here, and then that's going to drop in place and give you a nice seal to help protect the knife. Obviously, you're going to want to take that off, which is very easy to do so before you fire the blade. Now, handle material there is an anodized aluminum. It is 7075 T6. Also has those grip inserts, which are really good for either bare hand, with a glove, or underwater. And this knife can be used underwater, fired underwater, and they've set up a lot of options for drainage. You can see that here. And then when I fire the blade, you can see through here a lot of venting on the blade itself. There's that little drop point blade. This one has a two-tone finish. And you are looking at Elmax with a flat grind there. So there it is, the Navy Scarab. There's a couple of other things. Again, that nice double action you come to expect. They've also added a Tritium Insert there. You see those sometimes on gun sights or in watches, and that's just going to help you find that and identify the knife in low light or, like I said, in underwater conditions. So a really great knife. Overall weight on this comes in at 4.05 ounces. And then measurement wise here, you're looking at about 8.5 inches, and it has a 3.5 inch blade. And again, since this is made to be used by Navy personnel, the entire thing has been coated in a protective saltwater-resistant coating, and that's going to help with rust and corrosion and so forth. Now, you do have a number of options as far as color, handle material, and blade finishes go. As you can see, this one has some serration on it. You can see the firing trigger and other hardware have the same satin finish. Comes in OD green and green. This one just happens to be the green version. Again, standard blade there with no serration. And then lastly, I pulled out a tan, again in that black two-tone, but with serration. So plenty of options there for you. A great Scarab if you're looking for one of those. And again, fantastic for around, under, or in the water. You can check these out, available now at Blade HQ. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.